All right, so the Small Business Expo has been very instrumental in terms of just networking, meeting other persons, being able to exchange my business cards. It's very informational, it's educational, and it fosters a sense of camaraderie. I keep coming back to the SMEs because, just continuous learning and just the energy, it's unmatched. I always leave feeling refreshed, renewed. It has provided me with, just that renewed energy, that resolve that, from my mind can conceive it, I can achieve it. And I was able to get a lot of pointers, and in the form of mentors, that will be of tremendous impact on my business going forward. This is just from my top pocket. Yes, it was of immense importance, and I was able to meet a lot of key persons that, going forward will definitely add value to my business and vice versa.